Here's how to check if your laptop charger wattage is enough or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your laptop and click on power and battery options. From the power and battery options, you will see there the information that you have. If you can see that it charges very well, it means that the charger wattage is enough. Now, for you to be able to see if it's already enough, you can go ahead and check the battery levels. If it's okay, the wattage is enough. Now, if the charger wattage is not enough, you can go ahead and go back to the main settings of your laptop. From the main settings of your laptop, what you need to do is to click on the update and security options so that you can recover the charger options or the charging well of the laptop. Afterwards, go ahead and troubleshoot the charger wattage for you to be able to charge your laptop once again. And that is how to check if your laptop charger wattage is enough to you.